This is Japan. Unfortunately, dozens of people lost their lives due to the landslide. Unfortunately, it seems that a car was also under a landslide during this event. This is Japan. The moment of the landslide that occurred in the city of Atami was recorded by the cameras. At that time, the moment of a car's escape went viral. In Turkey in recent years shows us how dangerous rivers can be. This disaster suddenly flooded the entire city like tsunami waves. The settlements near the stream beds are very risky. This is California. Incredible moments? You see a car trying to escape from a sudden mudslide and flood. I hope the driver is fine. Video recorded by Burbank firefighters Local 778.